Introduction. Today we will talk about 15 cruise hacks the cruise lines don't want you to know. If you've ever felt like cruise lines are playing you, you're not alone. Cruise ships are like floating cities designed to distract and upsell, often without you realizing it. But not today. We'll uncover powerful hacks that will save you money, score secret upgrades, and help you cruise smarter. Let's dive in. Never prepay gratuities. First up, never prepay gratuities. Think of it as tipping before you taste the food. Once your money is in, the service quality can drop. Instead, adjust your tips based on the service you actually receive. Many seasoned cruisers say that crew members treat you better when they know your tips depend on satisfaction. A simple cash tip on day one can set the tone for excellent service all week. The power strip secret. Next, let's talk about power strips. Most cruise lines ban them, but you can still charge all your devices. Instead of a power strip, bring a USB charging hub. This way you can charge multiple devices without breaking any rules. And if you need a regular plug, pair it with a fully charged power bank. Stay prepared and keep your devices ready for capturing every moment. Drink package dilemma. Now let's discuss drink packages. To break even on a $70 per day package, you need to drink about 7 cocktails daily. Many packages come with fine print that can limit your choices. Instead, consider paying as you go. Most moderate drinkers spend less this way. Focus on a few well-chosen drinks or standalone packages for bottled water and coffee. Finding hidden cabin gems. When it comes to cabin selection, don't just settle for the lowest price. Some interior cabins are surprisingly quiet and spacious. These hidden gems can be found in odd corners of the ship. Treat the ship's deck plan like a treasure map. A little research can turn your gamble into a guaranteed win, ensuring a peaceful haven for your cruise. Embarkation Day buffet trap. On Embarkation Day, avoid the crowded buffet. It's where food goes to die. Instead, drop your bags in your cabin first and check if the main dining room is open for lunch. Many ships offer freshly cooked meals with actual service, allowing you to start your vacation on a high note. Best times to eat. Timing your meals can make a huge difference. Avoid peak times to enjoy fresh food without long lines for breakfast. Aim for 7 to 8 a.m. You'll get the best quality food and avoid the crowds. Also, explore hidden dining options that serve quality food without extra costs. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for staying with us. So far, we've covered tips on gratuities, power strips, drink packages, cabin selection, and dining strategies. Next, we'll discuss cabin privacy, luggage tips, and how to handle onboard photography. Don't forget to subscribe and share your own cruise experiences with us. Cabin privacy myth. The do not disturb sign is more of a suggestion. Crew members can enter your cabin for safety checks or noise complaints. Always keep your doors closed and be mindful of your surroundings. Understanding this can enhance your comfort and security on board. Photo scams and how to beat them. Beware of cruise ship photographers who charge a fortune for mediocre shots. Bring your own phone to capture those perfect moments. Ask fellow passengers or crew members to take your pictures. You'll save money and get better, more natural photos. Luggage tag fail. Don't underestimate your luggage tags. Those flimsy paper tags can easily get damaged. Use clear plastic holders or cover them with packing tape. Always include a backup paper inside your suitcase with your name and cabin number. This way, even if the tag gets lost, your belongings can still find their way to you. Disembark last. When it's time to leave the ship, don't rush. Disembark last to enjoy a peaceful breakfast and avoid the crowds. You'll have a more relaxed end to your vacation, while everyone else is stuck in long lines. Tracking and privacy. Cruise lines track your movements using RFID technology. While this helps with safety, they also use it to push targeted offers. Use this to your advantage by tracking your family and disputing any incorrect charges. Knowing how they track you allows you to navigate the system better. Conclusion. In conclusion, knowing these cruise hacks can transform your experience. You can save money, enjoy better service, and have a more relaxing vacation. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on cruising smarter.